What is your ideal piece of camping gear? Handy, durable, exo technology. Mars Players The One meets all your needs and makes you feel at home in the outdoors. Setup is simple. First, open up and adjust the stands. Secure the One to the ground to make it stable. Unfold the modules and extend the feet. Then your outdoor Michelin kitchen is ready. Utilizes the latest patented RedX far infrared technology. The One generates long-wave infrared rays with wavelengths ranging from 4 microns to 14 microns through a crystal plate. Comparing to traditional heater, the One heats quickly with less energy consumption. Electric car, mobile power, RV and socket electrical drive wherever you want. There are 4 heating modules available on this panel. The first 3 modules can be used for coffee making, water boiling and more. There is also an LED light beside. The last module can be used for heat insulation, which enables you to enjoy a hot drink anytime. Stew and cool modules are on the second expandable panel. The stew module is larger coverage and the condensing cool module allows you to enjoy an ice-cold cola anytime you choose. The grill module is on the third panel with different zones of high temp and low temp. The One is environmentally friendly, low in energy consumption and heats efficiently. You can use these 3 component panels for cooking, grilling and boiling. When you go camping, an emergency toolkit is essential. The One has a built-in emergency toolkit which includes compass and flashlight, and you can still put lots of outdoor gadgets in it. It can also be used as a hammer. No matter what problem you encounter in the wild, it can help you solve it. When the temperature starts to drop, the One becomes an instant radiant heater. Thermal energy is radiated outward through far infrared rays. When it's windy outside, the One's far infrared technology still provides you with effective directional heating. In addition, Mars Players is also equipped with 2 portable headlamps, SOS buzzer, an ultrasonic mosquito repellent, and laser positioning. As long as the One is at camp, you will know where the camp is no matter how far you walk. This is Mars Players The One, a do-it-all device that makes camping convenient, safe and fun. It will reshape your outdoor experience, letting you camp in luxury no matter where you are. Let's go glamping with Mars Players.